Hi everyone, welcome to another C tutorial here on IT.Tutorials. This is Josef Botnar. Today we talk about the first C code in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a text editor. This means that Visual Studio Code does not come with a debugger, with a compiler, with the C language integrated. But we can have all these installing extension which allows us to code in C. Also, we have to install separately a compiler in order to be able to compile C source code. So let's dive in. First, we have to download and install Visual Studio Code. Launch one of your browsers. I'm going to launch Google Chrome. Here, you just type Visual Studio. And click on this link. And here, scroll down. You will see Visual Studio on the left side, which is an IDE. We don't talk today about this. And on the right side, this Visual Studio Code. Click on this arrow, and the list of the platforms where you can install this text editor will appear. Choose your platform, what is installed in your computer. I'm going to choose Windows 64 because this is the platform installed in my computer. Click on it. And if you have a look here on the top, on the right side of the browser, you can see the progression of this download. Yeah. So after this is downloaded, you click on this icon here, just to go to the location where this executable file was downloaded. Here you go, click on it, and the installation will start straight away. Click I accept the agreement, click on next, and next. And here I suggest to click this box where is this create a desktop icon. If you want to have here on desktop an icon with Visual Studio Code, and you can launch very quick from the Visual Studio Code. Click on next and install. Now we are waiting for this text editor to be installed in our computer. It will take a very short time to be installed. Here you go, it is installed. Click on finish, and here is the icon from where we can launch this text editor. You can launch it also from the start button. Click on all, click on a letter here and choose V. And here you go, this you have here Visual Studio Code, and you can launch it from here if you want. Okay, I'm going to launch it from the desktop, from this icon. Click or double click on the icon, and as you can see, you receive this interface here. In order to be able to code in C, we have to install an extension which is called extension Pack C, which will allow us to code in C. Therefore, go on this icon, click on it, type here in this box C /C++. I'm talking about this extension Pack, which will allow us to develop C and C++ code in Visual Studio Code, but we talk now about C. This extension will allow us to code in C. Click on this button, install, and the installing process, it takes a very short time, as you can see. And at the same time it was installed also, as you can see, this C++ IntelliSense debug and code browsing, which is very useful. It was installed automatically together with the C extension pack, and also was installed this C++ themes, which will allow us to use specific themes for C codes. And I'm going to install another extension what we need, run, in order to be able to run the C code. Yeah, it is about this one. Click on install. Yeah, and now this extension is installed also. Now we go back to Google, and here I'm going to download the GCC compiler. Yeah, just type GCC compiler, and I recommend this website, SourceForge. Click on this link and click on this green button to download the compiler. Click on it. Yeah, the download started. You just click on this arrow here on the right side on the top, and we are waiting now for this compiler to be downloaded. As you can see, the compiler was downloaded. Click on this folder icon to localize your compiler. As you can see, we have an archive here. We have to extract the content of this archive. Right click with the mouse and just click on extract all to extract the content of this archive. Okay, here is the content of the archive, actually the compiler, the content of the compiler. I'm going to copy and localize to move this this folder to another location where I want this compiler to be. For example, on this partition C, click on it. I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to shorten the name. Click on rename, and I'm going to make it shorter. Okay, enter. Now we have to set the environment variable. Therefore, we open the folder, open this subfolder bin, and copy the path. Going on, click on this, and the path will be highlighted. Control C to copy it, and go in this box and type environment variable. Yeah, here it is. Click on it. This dialog window will be launched. Click on environment variables, and where is this system variables? Click on path. Double click on path, and here click on new, and paste here the path what you copied before, and click on OK. Okay, and now the environment variable is set. Okay, let's close all these windows. Now I need a command prompt just to check if the compiler is set properly in our computer. Therefore, I'm going to type here in command prompt GCC space / version. Enter. Yeah, the compiler was set correct in my computer because it was displaced this text GCC and the version of GCC, namely 14.2.0. Okay, so once the compiler is installed, we can create the first C code. Yeah, therefore launch again Visual Studio Code, and first we have to create a folder. Yeah, so I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to name it lab C, and I'm going to put this en at the end. Okay, and you can open the folder, either click on this button, or you can go on file, open a folder. Yeah, just go where the folder is located. Yeah, and click on select folder. Here you go, the folder was appear here now in Explorer. Actually, you click on this icon here to extend the Explorer. Now we have to create the file, yeah, the zip file. Either you will give a click here either you go here on the file menu, yeah, actually new file is the same, or even you can use the mouse with the right part of the mouse and select new file, and I'm going to write first C dot C. So this is the extension of a C source file. You have to put this C. Enter. Here you go. Now we can write the first C code. After you write the code, just close the Visual Studio Code, yeah, just to restart it, because we set the environment variable for GCC compiler, yeah, and launch it again. Okay, and now run the C code. Okay, click on this button here, and as you can see, our code was run, was executed, and here is the result, helloit.tutorials. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.